what's up, Wagwan? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this fried roast breadfruit cups, stuffed with ackee and saltfish, Jamaican style. Stay tuned. Yes, guys, so here we have the ingredients. We have a little bit of everything. We have the good stuff, the ackee, we have the saltfish, and all the fresh ingredients, alright? And obviously we have some roast breadfruit. Yeah, so come take a closer look. I'm show you Wagwan. So this is my breadfruit right here, roast breadfruit. Over here, so we have onion, bell peppers, tomato, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, scallion. Over this side we have the ackee. The ackee is already boiled, so no need to boil it again. Alright. Saltfish, like a half stick of butter. We have some black pepper right there, so, and also all-purpose seasoning. Alright, so we're gonna jump right into the video, guys. Get started. Let's go. Yes, guys, so for today's recipe, you're gonna need one of these. I believe it's called a lemon zester. Alright. So this is what we're going to use to mold and shape our breadfruit cups. Alright? So first we're going to grease it up a little bit. Some non-stick vegetable spray. We're going to break off a little piece. Just like that. Then we're going to press it down. All the way down. And this is your cup, breadfruit cup. So we're going to fry this up for a few minutes until it's nice and crispy. Then we're going to cook up the ackee and saltfish, drop it right in, alright? Stay tuned. Yes, guys, so once the oil is nice and hot, you want to go ahead and drop in your roast breadfruit cups. We're going to fry them until they're nice and crispy. Yeah, man, just like that, guys. So you want to fry them for about a minute or two. On the first side, flip it over. And then make sure everything's crispy. Then remove it from the pan. Place it on a paper towel just to remove some of that extra oil. Alright? Alright, so you want to go ahead and flip them. Flip them over. This recipe is going to be so good. Alright, guys, so for the ackee and saltfish, we're going to add a little bit of oil, about a tablespoon. Add your butter. And once everything is fully melted, guys, once the butter is fully melted, just going to mix it up, stir it up around with the cooking oil. And then we're going to add our scotch bonnet pepper with the garlic, all the natural herbs and spices to it. Alright? Yes, guys, so now we're adding everything. Add the garlic, the tomato, the scallion, the onion, scotch bonnet pepper, all these natural herbs right here. Stir it up. Keep mixing it until everything is, fully cooked, fully caramelized. Have a nice little brown color. Once the onion, becomes translucent, then we'll add in the saltfish, and then add in the ackee and stir it in right afterwards. Alright, looking good. So now we're going to drop in the saltfish, just like that. I'm going to add a little bit of pimento berries, crushed pimento seeds. Come on, stir it up. Now we're gonna go ahead and add the ackee. Come on, drop it in. Now we're just gonna fold it in nice and slow. You don't want your ackee to be too potty. Yeah, man. Now I'm gonna add a little all-purpose not too much, just for flavor. Add your black pepper. You can't cook ackee and saltfish without black pepper, you know. Yeah, man. Real Jamaican style. Fold it in. Yeah, man. Nice and slow. And we're gonna cook this for about 2 more minutes on high heat. You know? Yes, guys. So I tell you, smell good, looking good. Yeah, man. So this is it right here. We're gonna add this directly to the fried roast breadfruit cups them right now. Finish, you know? Yeah, man. Just stay tuned. Oh yes, yes, yes. So now we're gonna add the ackee and saltfish right on top. Yeah, man. The ackee and saltfish, that smells good. This is a super easy recipe, guys. Yeah, man. No joke, not telling no lie. Alright, we're not gonna overstuff it, you know. Make sure everything is nicely balanced, even out a little bit. Oh God. Guys, man, I tell you, wicked. Can I understand what that means? Good. Yes, guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.